I haven't done a video in ages, so this is the first one for probably a couple of months, so please bear with me. What I want to show is based on this post by Dan Sanders in the Facebook group, that he had problems with a lamp off macro in for the Alpha 700 series by Clay Paki. He is using a Tiger Touch with version 11.4, and this is what I set up here. I am using the simulator. Believe it or not, I switched back to version 11.4, and here is what I did. I patched one Alpha Profile 700 and I tried to make a macro. As always, I'm going to show how it will look like in the end. I have Artnetominator. I made a list of what I'm recording into a macro, and now I fire the macro. And you can have a look here. This I'm using the reset, not the lamp on, because lamp on is somewhat faulty in the personality, which I will report as a bug. But here I'm going to show how to record such a macro, and I will show you that full speed works even if the fixture macro requires some seconds to stay on a certain level. I'm showing here channel 36, which is the reset channel. Have a look. If I press the macro, then it will run. It will select the alpha profiles here. It will select the group. It will go to moving light menu. It will fire the macro reset all and will clear. Okay, so I click here and you see macro is running. It has already deselected, so it is my outer macro is already done there, and it has set the reset channel to the value we need. Okay, as always, I show you from scratch. We go to disk and start a new show. Okay. Now we patch fixtures, Clay Paki, input 700 profile in any value, any mode, and we patch in just one fixture. Okay, exit patch menu. Now we shuffle our windows a little bit, like this one here. Honestly, I even don't need this. I think it would help. We can try. We select our alpha spot, go to the special things, and here's our reset channel. Here you see that something is going on there, and just have a look. I'm using the Artnetominator, and in system DMX settings I have set the line 1 to output to universe 0 in Artnet. That's why I can see it in Artnetominator. And now let's record our macro. It goes like this: macro, record. Now you have to select where you want to put it. In this case, the manual is not exactly right, so we select this button. You see the macro button flashes, and now we do what we want to put in the macro, which is we select our group, we go to the moving light menu, we go to macros, we select a macro which is reset all, which runs for 6 seconds, doesn't matter, we can clear, it is still running, and we click on macro again to finish recording our macro. It has appeared here, and finally we try if it works. Let's have a look at the button. If I press the macro and click, and you see the reset channel goes there. Finally, I'm going to show you that the problem with the lamp macro is something different, because it would be channel 37. If you have a look into the manual, you see here it shows history for channel 37. I go there, and now I change something with the lamp here. This works, you see that? But if I fire the macro, go to moving light menu, go to macros and fire the lamp off, nothing happens because the macro in the fixture personality is wrong, and I will report a bug report for that. But apart from that, now you have learned how to record the macro and that it works with the time needed, even if you record it at full speed. Have fun and have a great day.